Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Gmail. Sign in if needed and open the left menu. Click More, then All Mail to show messages that were archived rather than deleted. Once done, use the search bar with the sender or subject to narrow results. Archived mail stays retrievable this way. Make sure to remove any inbox-only filters in the search and include labels if you use them. This initial step exposes the archived thread so you can act instead of guessing where it went. You found the archived conversation, open it or tick its checkbox to select it. Next, click Move to Inbox, the envelope icon, or use the Move menu to place the message back into Inbox. You can also apply or keep labels so it appears where you expect it later. This action restores visibility and notifies you like a fresh message. If it's a thread, moving the whole conversation returns every message in that thread. Make sure to refresh the inbox to verify you've moved the mail. Now confirm it appears in Inbox and under any labels you expect. If you don't see it, refresh Gmail or restart the app. Sometimes sync delays hide recent changes. Once done, search All Mail again to ensure you didn't move it to trash by mistake. Archived items never go to trash unless deleted. If mobile sync is the issue, check account sync settings and force a sync. If problems persist, sign out and back in to reset session state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.